Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Abby and me, Rochelle, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video is we received some gifts from Bethel. And today we're gonna show you that this is actually for our IT, but hello company. Now we're gonna eat this.
We are going to eat this one today. This is our cake. A nice covering, no?
Yeah, it's from. We will check, guys, if what is inside. It's so nice, the cover, right?
So ready?
1, 2, 3, go!
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this all of dates, yeah.
It's different days. Oh my god, looks so yummy.
Oh, it's very yummy. It's very, very yummy.
Open it.
Peanuts, pasta.
Oh,
So
this is, guys. This is all the
dry fruits, all dry fruits.
nuts and things. Looks so yummy and so special.
So I don't want to wait first. I'm going to try it first.
We're gonna try this all before we distribute to someone else. Oh, there is also, what is that? It's what is inside? It's nuts.
It's inside peanuts with covering some powder or something.
And this is there is some pistachios, plain and chocolate. And look at me. It's evidence. Look at the cover, it's like a tires.
Photo.
And expensive, no? Expensive. Expensive. So guys, that's for today's video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button para updated kayo. Thank you for watching,
Bye.
and please do subscribe to his channel at Crazy Bad